Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to use filters, which will allow us to find interesting subsets of our metrics. We can filter numerical columns using the sliders. Here we filter to only see the metrics from the last epoch. Now, 8,677 out of the total 104,124 rows are shown, one for each sample. Let's lock this filter, making it immune from any changes. Checkboxes can be used to filter categorical data. For example, we can filter to only the metrics where the sample is labeled airplanes. Click the Invert Filter button to invert a filter. Now we see all the metrics for samples which are not labeled airplanes. Click the Reset Filter Property button to clear an individual filter. This way we now see metrics from all the classes again. Let's create a 3D embeddings visualization, which we learned how to do in the previous video. The lasso or rectangle tools can be used to filter samples in the charts panel. For example, let's single out this cluster of samples. We see that these are all samples considered similar by the model, and that they mostly belong to the same classes, Faces and Faces Easy. To clear all the active filters, both from lasso selection and the filters panel, click the Reset All Filters button at the top of the filters panel. And notice how this did not modify the locked epoch filter. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll learn about making edits to our data. See you then!